Hello, this is Martin Ranovich from blogmanagementservices.com. We install, set up and configure business blogs that will automatically notify search engines whenever you publish new content. This will effectively drive traffic to your website. We also maintain and manage WordPress blogs, which can save you a whole lot of time and allows you to focus on your business. We also provide other blog services such as creating mobile landing pages for your blog and a whole lot more. For more information about all of the blog services we offer, please visit our website at blogmanagementservices.com. Now, millions of businesses worldwide use a WordPress blog to help promote and grow their businesses online. I have here a screenshot from Wikipedia, which shows that as of February 2011, version 3.0, which is currently one of the later versions, has already been downloaded over 32.5 million times. Hosting a blog on your own domain, especially if you're a business, is important because it helps to build your asset instead of someone else's. Now, the figures that I've just shown you indicate that millions of people have already discovered that a WordPress blog is a great way to grow your business online. We actually have videos on our website that show you why a blog is in many ways cheaper, easier, better, smarter, and faster than having a website. There is a drawback, however, to hosting a WordPress blog on your own server. And that is, it's one thing to run a blog, it's another thing to maintain it. So the things that you have to think about when it comes to maintenance is upgrading the WordPress software, upgrading WordPress plugins, backing up your files, and backing up your data. Now, why is this important? Well, let me show you. First of all, WordPress software gets regularly updated. If you log into your WordPress, if you already have it installed, log into your WordPress and you'll see on the dashboard that whenever a new WordPress update comes out, it notifies you that it's time to update. Now, WordPress updates its application very regularly, and they do this because they need to fix bugs, they need to fix security issues, and they also need to improve many of their features. You can see here I've got a screenshot that shows you just how often WordPress gets updated. Generally, every 2 or 3 months a new version of WordPress comes out. Now, because the WordPress software is getting updated, that means that all of the WordPress plugins, which are add-ons which give your blog added functionality, they also end up getting regularly updated. Not only that, but also the WordPress plugin developers like to improve their own plugins and add new features and functionalities. So you've got this thing going on where WordPress is getting updated, the WordPress plugins are also getting updated. So are you keeping up with the new versions? If not, then you are facing some potentially very serious issues. Issue number one is that over time, more and more hackers start to discover vulnerabilities in older WordPress versions. I've just got here a couple of screenshots that show you, one is from a Google search result, and it shows you here, warning, massive number of GoDaddy WordPress blogs hacked this weekend. Another one is from someone who posted in a forum, my blog hacked yet again. So malicious users can easily detect and exploit security issues and vulnerabilities in older versions. And hackers and malicious users are everywhere. If you do a search on Google, you will find many people posting on forums and bulletin boards and chats about their WordPress blogs getting hacked. So you need to really stop and think, how are you protecting your blog from hackers, security exploits, and malicious users? Well, the easiest solution is just to keep your WordPress blog updated. As I mentioned before, WordPress continually releases new versions, and in many times, one of the main reasons they do this is to create security fixes whenever they find vulnerabilities in previous versions. So upgrading your blog and your plugins to the latest version on a regular basis helps to protect your site from hackers and malicious users. Issue number two, which is also very important, is the potential loss of valuable data. So what would happen if you lost all of your blog data? Now, I've got here a screenshot from someone who's posted in a WordPress forum, just upgraded, but my data is now gone. I need help restoring. So they've updated their WordPress blog, and all of a sudden they discover the blog does not have any data, no posts, no links, no content, no nothing. And the reason for that is because all of your blog data is stored in a MySQL database on your server. So all your blog posts, your pages, your comments, your categories, your settings, everything that is, all the content of your blog is stored in one location on your server. Now, the thing to understand is that MySQL databases can and do fail. Your MySQL database, the one that contains all of your WordPress data, that needs to be regularly checked, optimized, repaired, and backed up. Now, I've got here another screenshot from a user who posted on a WordPress forum that when they tried to visit their blog, all they saw instead was a whole bunch of WordPress database error messages. So it's very important that you keep in mind that MySQL databases can fail, and if they do fail, when your visitors go to visit your blog, chances are they will see nothing, usually just a blank screen or a whole bunch of garbled error messages. So the solution is to regularly maintain and back up your WordPress MySQL database. And don't forget, it's not just your database data that you need to back up, but also all of your blog files. And the reason for that is because you may need to restore or even completely reinstall your blog if something happens. So blog maintenance is not only important, it's also vital to doing business online. As I've just explained to you, you need to have a system in place where you are protecting your blog from hackers and malicious attacks, preventing loss of valuable data, where you can easily troubleshoot and repair conflicts and errors that may occur, ensure the optimal performance of your blog. If blogs are too slow to load, visitors will just click away. You also want to be aware of new functionalities that are constantly being developed to improve your business. And if need be, you may need to restore all of your blog data or even completely reinstall your blog in worst case scenarios. So the question is, do you lack the time or the technical skills to regularly maintain and manage your blog? If so, we can help you. We offer professional blog maintenance services where we perform the following services as part of our regular monthly blog maintenance. We will check and optimize your MySQL database. We will then back up all of your MySQL database data. Now, we do this monthly, but if you're using your blog and posting a lot of content to it on a regular basis, we can also do this weekly. We will then back up all of the blog folders and files. We'll delete any comment spam or blog spam. We'll then update your WordPress software to the latest public release version, so it's always running on the latest version. We will also update all of the WordPress plugins. Now, when we set up a blog for customers, we install over 20 essential blog plugins, and whenever we perform the blog maintenance, we check that all of these are upgraded to the latest versions, and we perform the upgrades. After we've done all of the upgrades and we've done all of the backups, we then transfer all of the files to a secure storage location, which means that if something ever happens, we can retrieve all of your information, and we then provide you with a blog maintenance report showing you all the work that we have done. Now, additionally, we can also perform services to keep your blog updated and your data secure. We can install and configure new plugins for you, and we'll advise you about new plugins and functionalities that we come across that we feel can improve your blog's performance and enhance your blog security. We're very proactive in our maintenance service and our management services. We'll provide you with email support in case there's need for troubleshooting or general support, or you've got any questions you need to ask, or you want some advice. And as I've mentioned before, if it's required, if something does happen, we can restore your blog files and your MySQL data from the last backup that we've performed. If you decide to change your servers and move your blog elsewhere, we can also assist with relocating your blog. Now, it may come a point in time when you realize that your servers aren't, that you need better servers because your business is growing, or the company that you're with isn't as reliable as you thought they were. If that happens, you'll need to migrate your entire blog to the new servers, and we can assist you with that. And we also review and evaluate your blog's performance every 90 days. So we'll contact you every quarter, and we'll review with you how your blog is performing and look for ways to improve the performance of your business online through the blog. Now, apart from the maintenance services, we also provide professional blog management services. So we can fully manage your blog so that it's all completely hands-free for you. I've just spent the video explaining to you how we can help you maintain and support your blog. We can also create, optimize, and manage all of your blog content, and we can help promote and drive more traffic to your blog. So we can look after all of the blog management for you. So all you do is focus on your business, which means that our professional WordPress blog management services is a done-for-you service. If you'd like to know more about our professional blog maintenance or management services, please visit our website at blogmanagementservices.com. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. And when you visit our site, don't forget to subscribe to our free mini e-course on ways to fast-track your business using a WordPress blog. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.